What it is it's brand new today. Also, it's on a one-day only price, $400 already spoken for. Congratulations.
Thank you.
And we haven't even got into it yet.
I know, it's so cute.
It really is adorable. Let me explain a one-day only price. If you love the Figural Brulee, yes, perfect for creme brulee, but so much more, and baker set for $36.14. This price expires at the end of today and won't come back for the next 6 months. Easy pay days today, as part of our Now You're Cooking Day here at QVC, $7.23. You're getting a big baker tray, the smaller bakers that are Figurals, and as you just said, so stinking cute.
So cute.
All right, so let's go through what you did here, my friend. I love it.
So first and foremost, because I know we're calling it a brulee and baker set, and it is, absolutely, but let's get down to it. It's a 1-quart baker on the bottom, and then the individual ramekins are going to be 4 ounces.
Okay.
So just so you know the capacities, we did them in Romance. Look how adorable. First of all, this is your cookie sheet. This is a deep dish lidded that's figural, that has the beading that runs around the edge, that floral lace detail carved into the sides there, and then of course that beading all the way around, hand painting on the inside as well. 1 quart in capacity. You can bake your cookies on here. You can use it as a serving platter. You can do little cute creme brulees in here, little individual desserts.
We're going to give you so many great ideas.
Yeah.
Your choices include, these are seasonals.
I
No,
get
you're
so
good.
excited.
I get so excited
You're like,
too.
move on, move
No,
on.
never.
Okay, so there's
I'm gonna
Romance.
tell the creator what to do. Yes.
Here's
Romance.
Egg Hunt.
Very popular in the Romance.
Right, so look how sweet the Egg Hunt is. And then right down in front, if Cindy is still watching, this was one that I can't. Look how adorable the shamrocks are. Your base has that cute little shamrock shape, and then you have the individual ones. And guys, everything will nest. So you know how I am. I don't want you to have to store 18 million things all over the place.
Yeah.
Everything drops right inside. So
Love
even
that.
think about doing like a little crudité, a little nuts and chips, and you'll do so many things with this because it's all in one.
I love this. Expiring
So
offer.
cute.
Price goes away at the end of today. K48508. So what I would do, and a lot of you are doing this in smart shopping this morning, is as it's brand new today, but on a one-day only price, getting all 3.
Oh, I love
because
that.
we have Valentine's Day less than a month away.
Yes.
Easter will be
Perfect.
coming up. Easter's after.
After.
Yes.
Not always.
Yes, not always.
Not
I
always.
didn't think about it this year. It's later.
I'm going to bring him up. Can I bring him
St.
up?
Patty's Day, and in my house, this was such a tradition to bake around the holidays.
Yes.
I know my mom's not a big cook, but we would always do something special,
Yep.
and we'd have a big breakfast that
Yes.
holiday, and you'd put something out like this, and it just made each holiday such a beautiful tradition. Those are the memories that I remember. It wasn't what I ate.
Right.
It was what it was served on, and my grandma had a beautiful Christmas decor as well that she would serve her food on, and I remember my grandma Lila with the serving tray that she served us on.
And you remember the feeling.
Yes.
Right? And that, for me, has always been what Temp-tations is all about. These great pieces are fun. You look forward to it. My grandmother always had this candy jar, and I looked forward to it so much to go over and see what was in it. And so these pieces, again, are supposed to help your life in the kitchen, make it easier, of course, and make you look like a pro, but it's also about creating those memories and having fun doing it. So whether you're doing your corned beef, look how awesome this is.
Smells so good.
Look how we did this. We did our little potatoes au gratin in the individual. So think about that also. 4 ounces, that's a great portion size.
Oh, you and I are on the same wavelength this morning.
See?
A smart start in 2019. If portion control is your thing, these Ramekins will help you out.
And then look what else we did. If maybe you didn't want to make your potatoes au gratin, but you wanted to bake little individual desserts. Look how cute this is.
Oh, that's
you can mix
fun.
right in here, put this right inside there, and then it'll pop right out. And can we
Non-stick.
talk about how adorable that shape is?
Oh my goodness. Did you spray that before?
We did not. You can, if the recipe asks you to do it, you certainly can, but everything will pop right out because the heat hugs your food, then decorate them. So everybody has little individual desserts.
So cute for the kids to get
My
involved
mom's
too.
fave. How about doing, of course, a beautiful cheesecake? So maybe you're doing individual cheesecakes, and we just trimmed it with the raspberries.
But you had to give us a brulee.
Of course.
It's the brulee
and
and
look at the
baker
serving.
set.
Look at the serving of it.
Pretty.
We only fired off one of them. We ran out of time, but look how great that is. And again, you can chill these. So what's
is my
nice about
favorite
that?
dessert.
Yes, mine too. You may eat it.
Wait, really?
Yes, of
Oh my
course.
goodness. So my husband and I
Tell
don't
us how we
usually
did.
go out for Valentine's Day because A, either I'm working, or B, it's hard to get a sitter and it's expensive to go out.
Yep.
How cute to do your own little family
So
Valentine's Day.
cute.
Okay, let's try.
And again, like I said, we've never done anything like this on air. So when you're collecting these seasonal pieces, this is one of our most versatile, right? It's not a big baker.
Right.
It's not a big commitment. It's actually pieces that you're going to use, whether you're using it as a chip and dip, whether you're using it as little side dishes, little portion control. I love what you said. Smart start. Smart.
Yes,
What was
smart
it?
start.
Smart
I don't know.
start.
Sometimes I just say things and I'm like, well, how did I get that? I can tell you, though, close to 1,000 orders have been placed. We have the Shamrock, the Romance, and the Egg Hunt, which is so cute. What you did here for
like a little Easter
hosting
basket.
on Easter brunch.
Yeah, a little Easter basket, or you could, of course, make it a centerpiece, which I love. You can incorporate real flowers if you wanted to. Here we just did a little of that grass. We put some of our fake flowers in here, and now I don't have to spend a fortune on a centerpiece. I can use this, and the best part is I can also use it to serve in when I'm not using it as a centerpiece.
It's functional again, but yes, it's also a piece of decor. And I wanted to explain the Lit It. So I'm a bit newer to Temptations.
Sure.
If you've been shopping the line for forever, you love your Lit Its.
Come on
But if you're
over.
newer like me, what can the Lit It do?
I love that. So we call this actually a deep dish Lit It. Why? Because it's got a nice depth to it. This actually holds a quart. So when you think about it, not only just being a serving platter, but also your cookie sheet and your cutting board, this is that multi-purpose, right?
Okay.
So this stoneware piece is a great serving platter. You can cut on it. You can bake your cookies on it. It goes in the oven up to 500 degrees. Or you can use it as, again, just the holder for maybe you're doing hot dips in here. Maybe you're doing
a little
four
trivet.
different. Yeah, it becomes a trivet. Exactly.
Nice.
For you to go ahead and bring it right to the table. Maybe you want to cook everything with it on the tray, so it makes it easier to take it in and out of the oven. So whether you're picking up the Shamrock, and I love that it has that carved detail. I love that you see truly the color saturation all the way around the edges. And the Romance, again, I love the fact that hearts you use all year round.
Yes.
So I know many of you love to decorate with those. I think they came out so stinking cute.
So my mom used to do peanut butter and jelly sandwiches in the shape of a heart. You could almost use that as a
I'm
little
sure you
cookie
could.
cutter.
That's a great idea.
Make every day a love fest in the house and serve your kids with, I just love that as a mom to just feel like I'm spreading the love all the time, that unconditional
and that
love.
it feels special, right? And that the times you are together are special. So there's your Romance, and then don't forget about our adorable Egg Hunt. So they're oval shaped. So we'll show you, we did a breakfast where we did actually individual quiches in here, all individually hand painted all the way around the edges. Everything goes right in the dishwasher. And I love, love, love that this is a one-time only, because I think it makes it so much, it makes it so special, because these pieces, again, like I said, we've never done before.
This is so exciting. The Egg Hunt is most limited. Speaking of one day only, this expiring offer is like more urgent than even our today's special value, because we've added that as a pre-sale now and a post-sale. This is like the only thing that really expires anymore at the end of today. So after today, not only will you risk the chance of not getting what you want, as it's already so popular at 1 a.m. Eastern time here, but as the day goes on, we're losing choices, but then also that price point of $36 and change won't come back for at least the next 6 months.
You know, you just kind of jogged my memory. And these are seasonal. So we won't bring these back in the middle of August per se. So if we do lose one of these patterns, these are our spring patterns. You won't see this until this time next year.
Amazing.
Just letting you know.
Easy Pay Day, $7.23 on one of our best easy payment plans. It's brand new today from Temptations. So we have 4 new items in this 2-hour show that is brand spanking new. Romance, Egg Hunt Most Limited, Shamrock. Your item number is K48508. I want to welcome in Christina from West Virginia. She just bought your dinnerware set. Good morning, Christina. How are you?
Oh, fine, and I'm so glad I stayed up tonight and watched the show.
Hi,
I saw
Christina.
Temptations was on, and I wanted to see it. That bowl was perfect in the dinnerware set. My husband broke his favorite bowl this week, and when I saw that bowl with the dinnerware set, that's just the size we needed.
Oh, that's so nice. Good.
It's his pasta bowl.
And you're so right, Christina. It's like your pasta bowl. It morphs into so many different things. Your soup bowl, your cereal bowl, whatever you need it for.
Everything.
Yes.
Oh, that's fantastic. How long have you been collecting Temptations now?
Many years.
Yeah.
I think I was with you from the beginning.
Where are you in West Virginia, Christina?
North Central part.
Okay. I went to school in Buchanan, West Virginia.
You did?
So,
I floated the Gully River.
My
Does that
husband
count?
will be thrilled.
Yes. So when
because that's where he graduated from.
Oh, really? So when I see West Virginia, it always makes me smile. That's some of my greatest memories there. So beautiful, beautiful state.
You're a bobcat.
I am a bobcat. You're right.
Yes, that's wonderful.
Thank
He'll
you,
be so
Christina.
excited to know that.
Well, I'm
He
sure.
graduated from
Thank
there,
you.
too.
And tell him the bowls are just for him.
Oh, it's going to be a surprise.
Oh, good. Good.
I like it.
When
I
he
love
gets
it.
it.
You got to keep the romance alive with those surprises through the years. I like a good
At our
surprise.
age. Oh, that's funny.
Thank you, Christina.
Thank you,
Enjoy.
Christina.
Bye-bye
Thank
now.
you. I
Ooh.
love talking with you.
Same here.
Have a good
Thank you.
evening.
Thank you very much.
Bye-bye.
You too.
Bye-bye. I got so excited. I saw your cookbook.
Yes.
By the way, available online, QVC.com. We'll bring up that item number for you, but it's under $20. If you want inspiration, which I'm all about,
Yes.
it's really going to give you a place to start when you get these pieces home, or to continue on if you have these pieces. How many orders now placed, Tori? 1,300 orders now placed.
Thank you. You're getting the sneak peek. I'll tell you that.
Oh, it's some good stuff. It's going to be on later today, so don't miss out on the egg hunt. That's the most limited. You are so stinking cute.
Oh,
look at you on that
cookbook is fantastic. Over 120 recipes, and they're really easy recipes. They're worth sharing, right? They're the recipes that I grew up with, but also having married Ed about 3 years almost, it's really been about adopting it into our life and what our recipes are and what we're enjoying. You asked me what my New Year's resolution was, and it's to learn how to cook more vegetarian because that's what Ed loves. So I'm challenging myself. I'm trying.
Are these falafel? Is that vegetarian?
Yes.
Okay, there you
Yes.
go, Ed. You can eat that.
Those could be yours.
Endless possibilities
Yes.
when we see a Figural, so adorable. But the Brulee and Baker set, we don't just stop at the creme brulee,
Right.
which was very delicious, by the way. So many different recipes. Ooh, this morning.
Well,
little
here's what I
bacon.
love. You know, you were asking about our deep dish lid. The fact that this becomes a serving platter, but I didn't have to get my metal cookie sheet out. I actually could cook my bacon, and many of you do, right on here, which I love, right? The stoneware's
I like
hugging
baking
your food.
the
But then it's
bacon.
also a great way to serve. And don't forget, we also have these gloves available. So when you're coming in and out of the oven, these are going to be perfect because
And more
they
just
handle.
arrived
Yes.
here. Final order of the year just arrived if you want the gloves.
And we have Egg Hunt and Patriotic.
Which is
Just
new.
saying, small or large.
Okay, so the information is on your screen. Just ask your order operator or hop online. And what do you wear, small?
I wear small. Yeah.
So for the big hands, my Jeff.
David wears Venable, wears the large.
Okay, so
just
there's
so
a
you
good
know.
frame of reference.
Yes.
We call my
Perfect.
Jeff Boyardee because he does
Oh.
the cooking in the house.
I love that.
I
Jeff
love
Boyer.
this
Isn't that
idea.
cute? That was Lisa. So again, I love the fact that you can use it as an Easter basket. And then look what we did. We baked a cake just in the deep dish lid. So that's what we're talking. You can do little cookie cakes if you want to.
Right.
I'm telling you guys, I could talk on and on about this for the rest of the time together
too.
because it's just fantastic.
So you are going to choose 1,500 orders placed, by the way. The Romance, the Egg Hunt Most Limited, or the Shamrock on a one-day only price goes away at the end of today, and it's due today. Now, here are these gloves.